Find the oxidation state for each metal in these compounds. MnO₄ minus. Mn plus 4 times minus 2 or equal to minus 1. Minus 2 no ejina homa oxidation state for oxygen. Minus 1 no ejina homa compound ni nyina because compound is ion. Ion the charge near minus 1. Mn minus 2 times 4 minus 8 equal to minus 1. Mn will be equal to minus 1 plus 8. Mn will be equal to plus 7 because minus 1 plus 8 is plus 7. Compound we know oxidation state for manganese Mn is plus 7. Yanko vanadium chloride yawo VCl₃. And also find oxidation state for V. V plus chlorine halogen. Oxidation state for halogens minus 1. 3 times minus 1 equal to 0. There were 3 atoms of chlorine and anything at 3 no all equal to 0 because VCl₃ charge behind a neutral compound. V minus 3 equal to 0. 3 times minus 1 minus 3. V equal to 0 plus 3 will give you V equal to plus 3. And teacher say vanadium no the oxidation state is plus 3. Yanko tin chloride SnCl₃. The same strategy. 10 plus 4 times minus 1 or equal to 0. 10 minus 4 equal to 0. Now the oxidation state for 10 will be equal to plus 4. And 10 no Sn no compound no oxidation state is plus 4. Yanko chromium oxide CrO₃. Chromium no Cr yenim the oxidation state, but yenim oxidation state for oxygen which is minus 2. And your 3 atoms of oxygen tina hu O3 hano. Cr plus 3 times minus 2 or equal to 0. Cr minus 6 because 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 which is equal to 0. Cr minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0 plus 6. Minus 6 ebitwa plus 6 to be Cr equal to 0 plus 6 is plus 6. Into chromium no the oxidation state is plus 6. Yanko uranium oxide UO3. You know, and you say find the oxidation state for the metal. U plus 3 times minus 2 or equal to 0. U minus 6 equal to 0. Into U will be equal to plus 6. Into uranium and compound oxidation state is plus 6. Into the top of bomb say oxidation state anything. Into who be a exam simua and my rim fit the Western. I say, Naka who said halogens about minus 1 oxidation state. Hydrogen bonded to non-metal plus 1. Bonded to a metal minus 1. Group 1 element plus 1. Group 2 element plus 2. Regular oxygen oxidation state is minus 2. Except for peroxide which is minus 1. Superoxide minus 1 over 2. Enti no me da wase so no mesua de ne wo question bi a cha wadwen e comment section ase e share video e ma wonua bi nhwe bi na e subscribe na support it. Feel free to donate to support this channel as well and see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.
Think, learn, become Coco.